Hello, welcome back to this week's art tutorial. This week I thought I would demonstrate a really cool way to use these little koi Japanese inspired stickers that we have on the website. So I have done a full set on myself in the past with these before in this exact same style, but I thought I would show you. It's a really cool technique to get a really nice clear effect. Now I've got yellow on my nails now, but just popping this really quickly just over, you can see that gives it a really cool look. So I thought I would break it down. This one's super easy to do and follow along, so going to pop that tip there and grab a blank tip. So with this, I do recommend sculpting out a clear nail, either with gel or acrylic, or if you have one of these gel full cover tips, I just pop one of those on and work straight over that. So we'll get started. Grab your brush on builder gel. You can use a potted gel. Any type of crystal clear gel works. So brush on a really thin layer. Doesn't have to be too thick because you're just going to hold the glitter down with this. I did get some on my hand. Let me just wipe that away. Now, the glitter I'm using, I actually got this from Glittergasm, I believe. I got it a while ago, but it's just a pastel pink glitter, and it's got some chunkier bits and some really fine bits, so I basically just pick it up with a brush. I prefer to use an ombre brush, and I just sort of sprinkle it over the top. Try not to put too much on because you want to be able to see that it's transparent. So this amount's probably good. Make sure you clean up the side. You don't have any overhanging or you don't have any sticking straight up. Flatten it down and it should look something like that. I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, we're back and fully cured. Now you want to encapsulate everything. So with the same gel that you used, just create an even surface and encapsulate. I used to always encapsulate in acrylic, but I find that gel is not only quicker, it's clearer, it's easier to file, and just overall easier to work with, really. So make sure you cover the entire nail, smooth it out, and use your light to help you. If you actually manipulate the nail, you can see spots that you've missed. So you can see there's not a lot here, so it's going to add a bit more and check it evenly. Depending on the gel you're using, if it self-levels, just give it a few seconds to settle. And once it's all settled, cure that for another 30 seconds. Okay, we're all cured. Now you will have a tacky layer over the top. I like to cleanse that off when I'm working with these stickers because I do like to press them down. You don't want to be pressing them down when you still have that really tacky inhibition layer because you can get like little bits of dust, dirt, whatever. As clean as we like to think that we work, you can get little bits of dust and everything falling on there, and it's really hard to clean. So there we go, take that off. Point proven. Now grab your sticker sheet, and I like to use a mix of all of these little fish here. So using your tweezers, let's just layer one here, press it down, and maybe I'll grab some these black ones. And I think I might add another little goldfish going this way. This design is super effective if you use it in a full set because you can add something different on every nail. And I thought that looks really cool. So really quick, really easy design, really, really effective as well. You can layer it with like a blue pastel glitter. You can do anything as a base really. If you didn't want to use glitter, or if you don't have the glitter on hand, you can just use just a really soft pastel pink as a background, or even just a white, and you can add the glitter over that if you don't want a clear nail. I like this design, but you can mix and match it however you like. That might be a little bit too much top coat. And with these stickers, because they're ultra thin, if you've watched my previous videos, you'll notice that I seal them in a builder gel or a builder in a bottle. I don't do that with these stickers because they're super thin anyway, and if you press them down, the top coat seals them in really, really well. So that's it for this design. I hope you enjoyed it. If you decide to recreate this design, please tag us on Instagram. It's #UnicornLabNailSupply. Again, as always, if you have any questions, leave a comment below or jump onto our support group on Facebook. Ask us any questions about any of the videos that we post, and we're always happy to help them. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this video. I'm going to pop this in a lamp to cure, and I will see you in next week's art tutorial. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.